So in this video now we'll try to learn how to reverse that list element. That for last one I wanted to first one and second last as that second one and so on. So now I will go to Visual Studio. So suppose now this time I will use like different one, A, B, C, D and E. Sorry, my bad. Okay, E. Okay, so this is that we have that list. If I go ahead and print of L list, okay. So if I run this one, so now we can see this. Now list is printed A, B, C, D, E, and E. So now what I'm going to do, now I will go ahead and try to this time how we can do that reverse. So we have one function L dot re reverse, okay. And now if I go ahead and run this one, so you can see now E become that first one, D become that second, C is that third, B is that fourth, and A is that last element. So in this way, by using that reverse function, we can go ahead and reverse that list element whatever we have. I hope you like this video. Thank you.